young girls telling me, how come Haitian parents always kick their kids out when they get pregnant? Are we responding to it the right way? Is the first question. And secondly, a lot of that happened in the churches. We know that pastors are the most powerful allies in communities, and especially in our community. Somebody asked me the other day, are they hurting us or helping us?
There's one problem with that. We have blinders, pastors. We feel inside the church there is no sin. We don't talk about the problems because we feel the good members that we have, they're not involved in these things. I have news for you. The church.
So let's grade them really quickly here. Since we had graded the community, let's grade the pastors in our community. How would you grade them? As a pastor yourself.
You know, you have to, the thing is involvement. The pastors, they need to get down from their platform and go down to the pews and sit down with the members and look at what's going on. Yes, there is a problem with teenage pregnancy in Palm Beach County, and it's documented. But there is something that is very insidious about it. It's the fact that these kids are getting pregnant not by their teenagers' friends, by adults.
Dr. Richard.
They are being pregnant, they're getting pregnant by adults. And it is something that you guys, you know what I'm talking about. We got it from home. Those young kids who are mistresses of men who are twice their age. It's a cultural thing, you know, a bad cultural thing that gets into our system.
Go ahead, Ralph.
And we are just bringing them here in South Florida. And I have a name for this. This is called statutory rape. You can go to jail for this. And it's not only that. There is one set of words that we don't like to talk in the Haitian community here. HIV/AIDS. Hello?
Hello, hello, hello.
HIV/AIDS. When you have this promiscuous man sleeping with kids who are just sleeping with them for a pair of sneakers, for those nice jeans and makeups, guess what? You guys, you are doing a disfavor to this community, and it's wrong. And the law should be after you.
Go ahead. I'm going to come after that because I have to be the devil.
Yeah.